Chronic knee pain can quietly take away the freedom to move. What begins as mild discomfort can gradually limit walking, climbing stairs, and daily life. In this video, we explore how modern surgery restores movement and reduces pain. Inside a healthy knee, a smooth layer of cartilage allows bones to glide effortlessly. Over time, this cartilage can wear down, leading to stiffness and discomfort. This condition is one of the most common causes of chronic knee pain. Here, we compare a healthy joint with a damaged one. In a normal knee, there is space and smooth cushioning between the bones. In a worn joint, that space narrows, creating friction during movement. During consultation, the surgeon carefully studies imaging of the knee. These scans reveal the extent of joint damage and alignment issues. This step helps determine whether replacement surgery is needed. Using advanced digital tools, the surgeon plans the procedure in detail. The size and position of the artificial components are customized for the patient. This planning ensures accuracy and long-term success. The operating room is prepared with precision and care. Sterile instruments and specialized equipment are arranged for the procedure. A clean, controlled environment is essential for safety. The patient is positioned comfortably on the operating table. The leg is carefully stabilized to allow clear access to the knee joint. Proper positioning supports surgical accuracy. Anesthesia is administered to ensure the patient remains comfortable. The targeted area becomes numb, allowing the surgeon to work without discomfort. The procedure can now begin. The surgeon gently accesses the knee joint through a controlled opening. Layers are carefully separated to reach the joint. This step provides a clear surgical pathway. The kneecap is carefully moved aside to reveal the joint surfaces. This allows full visibility of the damaged areas. The surgeon can now begin restoring the joint. Damaged cartilage is carefully removed from the joint surfaces. This step eliminates the rough areas causing friction. The goal is to prepare a smooth foundation. The end of the thigh bone is shaped using precise guides. This creates a surface that will fit the artificial component. Accuracy here is critical for proper alignment. Next, the top of the shin bone is carefully prepared. A flat, even surface is created for the implant. This ensures stability and balance in the joint. Temporary components are placed to test the fit. The surgeon checks alignment and positioning. Adjustments are made if needed for optimal movement. The knee is gently bent to test its motion. Smooth movement indicates proper alignment. This step ensures the joint will function naturally. The final metal component is secured to the thigh bone. It is positioned to match the natural shape of the joint. This forms the upper part of the new knee. A base plate is then placed onto the shin bone. This component supports the joint structure. It provides a stable foundation for movement. A smooth plastic insert is placed between the components. This acts as a cushion and allows smooth motion. It replaces the function of natural cartilage. The back surface of the kneecap may also be refined and fitted. This helps it glide smoothly during movement. It improves overall joint performance. All components are now assembled into a complete joint. The artificial knee is aligned for stability and function. The structure closely mimics natural anatomy. The surgeon checks the stability of the new joint. The knee moves smoothly through its range of motion. This confirms proper placement of all components. The surgical area is carefully closed in layers. Each layer is secured to support healing. The procedure is now complete. In the early recovery phase, gentle movement begins. The new joint starts adapting to its function. Careful monitoring ensures proper healing. Physical therapy plays a key role in recovery. Guided exercises help restore strength and flexibility. Gradually, movement becomes easier and more natural. Over time, the patient regains confidence in walking. Daily activities become more comfortable. The new joint supports smooth, pain-free motion. A comparison reveals the transformation. The damaged joint once limited movement and caused discomfort. The replaced joint now moves smoothly and efficiently. The final result shows a stable and functional knee. The artificial components work together to restore mobility. This procedure offers a renewed quality of life.